Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For those who are new, my name is Nisha and I want to first off say hello. Welcome to today's video. We are going to be doing this very colorful makeup tutorial. I've tried to force myself to get out of a funk. I've been stuck into like neutrals, easy, soft looks, and I know you guys definitely love those looks, but I also know there's another half of you guys that love when I do colorful looks like this. So that is what we're going to be doing today. So I want to show you guys how to achieve this makeup look. So if you guys are interested in it, then of course keep on watching. All right, so you guys know the routine. My eyes is already prepped and primed, and I have everything listed down below for that chappa chappa. But now we're going to be going in for a colorful look. I feel like I'm kind of like in a basic funk lately. Like I can't shake it. Like I just want to do like simple looks, and I don't know why. I'm like, girl. So I am forcing myself to be adventurous today. So like a cut crease, colors, you know. So I'm going to be grabbing and using this beautiful palette by Beats by Deb. This is like my second time using this palette, and let me say, the eyeshadow formula in this palette is absolutely perfect. Perfect, okay? It's so buttery, they're so creamy, it's just easy to blend. And I purposely grabbed this palette too, so I won't lean towards any neutral shades. Like I have no choice but to go bold and beautiful for this look. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Per usual, I'm gonna go in with a brow bone highlight. This is by Ulta Beauty, and this one is called Buzzword. I'm just gonna put this underneath my brow bone. Sorry, I'm all slanted over. I'm trying to look in my mirror, but let's do it this way. All right, so I'm gonna go in with purple. I'm gonna take the deepest purple in the palette. This one is called Grape Soda. I'm just gonna place it right in my crease. And I'm using patting motions first before I go in and start blending it out. So now I'm gonna slowly start blending this color out. And I'm trying my best not to go as high with this color because I want to blend it out with a softer purple or either a pink. Alright, so now that I have that color placed, I'm going to take this pretty softer purple, kind of like a pink vibe in a sense as well. And with a nice blending brush, I'm going to take this color and kind of just buff out the edges. And I'm really taking my time to make sure that everything is blending together. Although it's not that hard, I'm telling y'all, these eyeshadows are so buttery. So I filled my cut crease off camera because it took me a cool minute, being that I did not use my cut crease stencils today. I used the old school method with, you know, a little Q-tip, or for me, my lip applicator. I just took that with some makeup remover, you know, did my little arch, and then I cleaned it up, and then I filled it in with my Juvia and my Glamlite icings. Boom, and there we go. So it's not perfect like I feel like it be when I do my cut crease stencils. So now I'm gonna go in with this pretty pink shade right here. And as you guys can see, I'm just gonna be putting it right in my lid, starting off with this is where I got confused. I'm like, where do you want to use next? I think I'm just gonna go in with another shade of pink, or should I do purple? What you gonna do, girl? What you gonna do? Try this middle purple. So I'm gonna make sure that I blend the pink and this purple together. So I'm just going back over with the pink right now, overlapping a little bit of the purple shade. And then I'm gonna do the same step with the purple. Overlapping, tapping motions to help blend out the colors. So I like this, it's very different. I will say you can barely tell the difference from the separation of the two purples. So I'm gonna go back in with a black eyeshadow, but I'm gonna do the purple first, which was that grape soda, the deepest purple in here. Just gonna take a brush and I'm just gonna clean my cut crease. I do know when I do this method, it makes my cut crease look a little bit more cleaner, but I gotta be so close to this, so I probably won't be able to film it because I gotta be quiet. I kinda wanna do like a pink liner, but we're gonna leave it how it is for now because I feel like I might regret it after. So I'm just gonna go ahead and weave my liner. My face is halfway on. Hey boo. So I bought this eyeliner because I usually use my ColourPop, but I told you guys before, like this is such a pretty blue, but it has glitter in it and it definitely like affects my waterline and it just hurts really bad. So I bought this Morphe one. This is supposed to be like a shadow stick. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, a shadow stick eye wish. It has a little sharpener at the end, which is cute. And this is the shade that it is. It's such a pretty blue. So I'm going to put this in my waterline to make this blue pop. Please say I thought it was going to be a little bit more darker like it is in the actual tube, but that's okay. All right, so I'm going to go for this blue right here. So of course put it right on top of that eye pencil. Now I'm getting the blue that I was leaning towards. Alright, I'm going to move on to my lids before I decide on what else to do. So, another routine pencil. Alright, so I'm going to go with the shade Flock. Yeah. Oh, these lips are pretty. Okay, and then for my blush, I'm gonna go with the pink blush because it's very debold on the eyes. Definitely missing my inner pop, so I'm gonna take a little bit of my glitter glue. I'm gonna pop it right in my inner tear duct. And I'm just gonna take this random like blue eyeshadow, and it has a little bit of like a frostiness towards it. So I'm just gonna pop it right in my bottom inner. Actually, I'm gonna add a little bit more of another color. So this one is called like white gold, which is pretty much a white pigment, but it has a little bit, and I do mean a little bit of gold to it. I'm just gonna pop it right in the inner part. All right, my love, so this completes the look. I really do hope you guys like it. Like I needed to do this for myself because I was so in a funk when it came to like colorful looks. I'm like, did you outgrow that? No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Let's put it out there. No, I did not. It's just I had to force myself to, you know, to get into it. So I definitely hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup look. I hope you guys give it a try. Yes, let me know how you guys feel about this makeup look, and if you guys definitely want more colorful looks like this, go ahead and thumbs up this video. I mean, thumbs it up anyway because you guys are liking it and you're feeling it and all that good stuff. But definitely let me know, even in the comment section, like, yes girl, bring more color to the flavor of this channel, okay? And I will definitely, of course, balance it out and do more neutral looks, colorful looks. But you know, colorful looks like, where my colors at? But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. You guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see you guys on my next upload. Bye.